I'm going to be showing you today how you can clear your face from blemishes. Can you see how my face is? I'm sure you can see some blemishes, but I'm going to be clearing it now, or rather, let me say we're going to be doing it together. Right? We're going to be editing it and we're going to be clearing these blemishes. But if you've not subscribed, do not forget to subscribe. If you've not followed, do not forget to follow and turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be bringing you videos that are going to help elevate your social media account from 0 to 100 using my step-by-step guide. All right, let's dive straight into it. So we're going to go straight to CapCut. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is go over to our CapCut. So let's go on there. So tap on CapCut, tap on new project, so we can bring in our video. So I'm going to tap on the video, tap on it. I'm going to click the HD to upload a higher version of that video I'm uploading, or the project rather. So I tap on add. As soon as I tap on add, it is here. So you can see the blemishes on my face. You can see them, right? So what I want to do right now is tap on the project, then I swipe and look for what? Retouch. You can see the retouch. I tap on retouch. Then I tap on face. The moment I tap on the face, the AI is going to zoom in my face to show that, okay, it has recognized my face. So let's see if it's going to work. Alright, you see that it has, shown that it has recognized my face. So the next thing I want to do is what? I want to zoom in so that I can see the effect very well. Alright. Then I go to even, right? I tap on the even. Of course, as the name implies, even to even out the skin tones, all those, all those gallops that's on my face is gonna try to even it out. So you see, can you see? Before, after, before, after. You can see before, after. So I'm just going to, make it. I wouldn't want it to be too much, so it doesn't look too all fake and and all that. So I'm going to go over to plum. Tap on plum. Then can you see? Can you see? And one thing I love about this is that it still keeps the what? It still keeps the detailed of your skin. Right? If I zoom it in, I can see the details of my skin. You can see. So what I want to do is go back to even and reduce it a bit, so that at least there will be some little blemishes on my face. So it doesn't look too perfect. Nobody has a completely spotless face. It's not possible. There must be something on the face, right? So I tap on what? I tap on remove blemish. Now all those spots on my face, it's gonna try to remove them. Can you see? Before, after. You can see it. So let's go to before and after from here. Before, after, before, after. Can you see it now? So you can see how beautiful the skin is. Can you see? So I don't need to touch smooth. When I touch it smooth, then the skin tone is going to be destroyed. Alright, so let me do it so that you see. Can you see that the skin tone is gone? So there's no need for me to touch the smooth anymore. Alright, so that is how to clear blemishes from your face. You can still actually do some adjustment. Maybe you want to increase your lips, reduce it. You want to increase your nose, reduce your nose. You want to increase the size of your eyes. Okay, let's try something now. Let me tap on reshape. So let's tap on reshape. Tap on the reshape. Or what would I want to reshape? Okay, let me reshape my nose. So let's tap on the nose. All right, let me tap on the width. I tap on the width. You can see before, after, before, after. All right, you can see. So let me tap on the roots. You can see before, after. All right, let me see the size. I will not want to touch the size. You can see, and that is how you remove blemishes from your face without you looking like a cartoon, right? And it still looks like you. Now if I feel like this is a bit too much, I just go over to the face. I go over to face, then I touch the plum a bit. I reduce it and make it, let's say 8. I think this is perfect. You don't have to make it too much like this. This is way too much. All right, so just do something small so that the highlights and shadows will still be appreciated. All right, and I think that is all for that. So I tap on what? I tap on save. All right, guys, if you're just here for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to share. Do not forget to comment if there's something you want. Just put it in the comment section and I'm gonna make a tutorial for you on how to do it. All right, do not forget to follow, share and favorite this video.